Hello YouTube, this is Rob from Reyff Designs, and I thought I'd do an update to my shop that I haven't done in a long time. Actually, I've basically finished it, but there's still a lot of cleaning and other things I still got to do. So I do a quick little tour, and here we go. Hey guys, this is my paint booth that I put together just recently. Well, it's been a little more recently. This whole project for my shop has been for a long time coming, but I finally finished this portion of the paint booth. And what I did was I just put some ceiling lights in, and I put a drop ceiling into this building here, so it'd be easier for me to seal and make the shop look clean. I have a little area that I do my mixing my paint storage, and again, this is still a work in progress, but I've still got to move some things and adjust some things and put some things in other places, of course. But for right now, this is basically my paint booth that I put together. I think I got the idea for this off of GarageJournal.com, and saw another guy kind of do the similar thing, and I'm basically going to try to use these Duster 3000 downdrafts as my air filtration. If it doesn't work, then I'll cut a hole in the wall and put a fan like every other paint booth. So this room is approximately 15 by 30, and should be playing big enough to do some pretty cool projects. This is my main area that I have for my shop area. I basically did the same thing in here. I put a drop ceiling in the shop, and just enclose it with steel sheeting, just to make everything look clean. And so over here I've made a false wall in this building, which houses all my 220 and 110 and some air and so forth, and basically line this area up so it would be basically pretty clean to go in and out of this area. Again, everything's still kind of a work in progress, but basically I finished up. I'm just trying to get things organized and all that stuff. Up here I just made some brackets and stuff that I could hold metal and odds and ends and get it off the floor. Basically I just use Unistrut, and that's actually the floor mount for a Unistrut piece, but I just mount it into my wall. My walls are made of 3/4 inch plywood, and just makes it cleaner, and also it's easier for me just to drill into it or hang stuff and so forth. I did do some shelving all the way through the top of this, again just to get things off the ground and to kind of just organize stuff so I know where things are at. This is my new but used Crossfire Pro that I'm going to put together, and I'm trying to clean it up. I got some ideas off of YouTube from other guys, and just really figuring out how to make it look cleaner, better, and easier to use. Other than that, this is just a main room. I made this 4x8 table just for fabbing up some things, just kind of get some things set up. Basically have other organizational things just I put together, my sandblaster, a little Vidmar storage area for all my bodywork stuff, a couple welders, which I have covered so they always keep clean. Over here I do have my compressor, which is an old Wayne 1959 compressor. But I did buy one of these cool Wazoo Harbor Freight air dryers. So I've got that hooked up into my air line, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job. Other than that, I have all my screw storage in here. I just use these drafting drawers, I guess that's what they're called, I believe. And basically just bought some Harbor Freight little plastic containers, cut them, made sure they would work, and each drawer has separate, you know, Allen heads or screws or bolts or so forth, and that'd be easier for me to organize that way. And last but not least, I have two fab tables. One is here between my two toolboxes. It basically like a metric toolbox and a standard toolbox, just to keep things easier for me. And then this is just kind of like a wall I've put together to hang some items. I'm really into painting skulls and doing other things with animal skulls. So other than that, that's really about it for my shop. Just cleaning up things and organizing certain areas, and that way I can actually start producing and working in here. So until next time, that's my quick little tutorial on my shop. Oh, one last thing is here's my little bathroom area. Just have a toilet, and then basically have a, you know, a little sink. Got a little area to hang my some rolls of paper, and then my little toilet paper holder, which I'm really proud of. Works pretty good. Anyways, I think that's really about it for now. Until next time, or to the next video. I'll see you later. Bye.